Our 24-foot dome has a floor area of 430 square feet, or 40 square meters. A 14-foot ceiling height allows this dome to accommodate a loft to extend your square footage. With our heavy-duty steel tubing, this dome weighs approximately 1,125 pounds. On average, it can be assembled in 4 to 12 hours with a crew of 3 to 4 people. We can achieve virtually any snow and wind load requirements using a heavier tubing size. Included with your 24-foot dome package is the frame, anchoring hardware, and cover. Each cover comes with 6 removable round windows, 2 ventilation roll-ups with zippers, a panoramic bay window, and your choice of door opening. The covers are made from heavy-duty architectural fabric and can last up to 20 years. Custom features are available, such as skylights, extra doors, windows, and wood stove setups. Insulating liners and solar fans are also optional. It's a perfect choice for add-on living accommodations, Airbnb rentals, and glamping resorts. In Vastu Shastra architecture, this dome enhances exploration and discovery, as well as empowerment and support. We offer deck plans for both permanent installations and nomadic lifestyles. And our team is always here to help if you have any questions.